want to be when you grow up, Ruby?
Oh, I know. A scientist. I'm going to help solve the scientific mysteries of the universe.
What are the scientific mysteries?
Nobody knows. That's why they're mysteries.
Looks like Go is sniffing out clues to those mysteries.
You have to be very careful in the lab. One wrong move and...
Looky, I'm here.
Well done, Tommy Stop.
You saved the day, Tommy.
Just doing my job.
A real hero.
Aw, what's wrong, Maya?
I can't decide what I want to be when I grow up.
What do you love to do the most?
Playing with Doggy Go. Oh, I could be a vet. Come on.
Welcome to the Go Vet Surgery.
Hello, Rusty. Here for your checkup. I'll be with you soon. Oh, but I want to be other things too. Not just a vet. Maybe an explorer.
Oh, exciting. Let's go exploring and see what this job's about.
I'll travel the whole world and discover new discoveries. There are so many other jobs to choose from, though. Let's go!
I'm sure you can find the right job, Mya Go. Ah, wait. This is interesting.
You can be a fitness teacher, like your mama.
Yes, Mama loves her job, and I think I'd be good at that. Or I could be... a fisherwoman, and I'll ride on a boat in the sea.
Catching fish?
Well, Dada loves fishing, so it must be fun. Ooh, but maybe I'd like to be... a train driver! Ah!
Mya Go every day. Mya Go laugh and play. Mya Go, what do we say? Mya